Some journeys begin with a destination. Mine began with a question. These stones had watched kings rise and watched empires fall. And then Hampi appeared, not like a city, like a forgotten kingdom. So I followed the road south, chasing a city that disappeared centuries ago. I came here looking for roads, but I found stories carved into stone. Maybe that's why we travel. Not to escape life, but to understand it.